क्वालिटी एजुकेशन करके दिखाएंगे।
Good morning. Very good. So what is the topic for the session today? We all have the pink sheets with us? Okay. Before I get into the lecture for today, let me give you a quick briefing on what the entire approach from here on shall be and what exactly is the idea behind conducting a special series of sessions that we call LTS, and what is it that you should try to grab from it. What is the maximum that you should try and take from it. So LTS is all about 5 plus 3 power packed sessions where you get very, very strong inputs about how to think. These are not actually GK sessions, these are sessions on how to think. So for example, today's topic may be related to marketing, advertising, brand building. But my objective here over the next 2 hours, 2.5 hours would be to tell you how to think on this topic. Once you learn how to think, after that, things become very easy. We'll give you a framework, a template, so that you can fit things into that template. Rather than just giving you facts and figures which you will memorize, it has a limited utility. मैं आपको facts, figures लिखवा दूँ, आप रट लें, उसका एक limited use है. मैं आपको एक framework दूंगा, सोचने का framework. और हर lecture में आपको एक नया framework मिलेगा, नए topic के लिए. So let's start with the very first GK Atlas 1 session, that is Choice Unlimited. The magical world of advertising and marketing. And what's the roadmap for us? This is the roadmap. I'll be trying and covering all these areas over the next 2 hours. As I said, my objective here is to give you a framework for thought. Advertising and marketing happens to be a very interesting topic because we can give you a lot of videos on it and we can have a lot of multimedia also. Now, we will take up some very, very interesting advertising films of various brands, and through those we will try to communicate some important messages. What is important is not the film that we would be showing. What is of importance is the message in that film. So by the time you come to the end, अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो सब कुछ, जैसे Carlos Ghosn is the head of Renault Nissan and he is the most glamorous corporate executive in the automobile world. Carlos Ghosn, he has said recently that if we cannot find a way to create zero emission vehicles, nobody can stop the world from blowing up. Which is a very correct estimate. Carlos Ghosn कहते हैं कि अगर हमने जीरो एमिशन वाली गाड़ियां जल्दी बनाना शुरू नहीं की 5 साल 6 साल 7 साल में, ये दुनिया फट जाएगी, क्योंकि करोड़ों गाड़ियां सड़क पे आ रही हैं, इनका पॉल्यूशन खत्म हो जाएगी दुनिया. तो जीरो एमिशन तो आएगा. अब रतन टाटा को ये सब पता है, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने माइंड शेयर क्रिएट कर लिया. कैसे किया? एक अनाउंसमेंट कर दी बस छोटी सी, आई विल गिव यू 1 लाख रुपी कार. बस अब उन्हें कुछ करना ही नहीं. वंडर इन वंडर ब्रेड. So there's this very beautiful Wonder Bread brand globally in Europe and American markets, and the Wonder Bread people say that we don't make breads, we create wonders. When people buy Wonder Bread, they are buying hope, they are not buying a bread. तो अब आपको थोड़ा एक फ्लेवर मिलना शायद शुरू हुआ होगा कि ये बैटल कितनी अजीब है. यहाँ प्रोडक्ट्स की लड़ाई नहीं है. It's assumed that the product is good. The real battle here is perception. याद रखना, दुनिया में लड़ाई अल्टीमेटली परसेप्शन की होती है, क्योंकि सच्चाई किसी को पता नहीं होती. We may claim we are educated, we know so much, we know this, we know that, but believe me, we don't know what the truth is. It's very complex. There are many layers of truths. There are many layers behind which the truth is hidden. So, perceptions play a role. If you make a product good enough, even though you live in the depths of the forest, the public will make a path to your door, says the philosopher. But if you want the public in sufficient numbers, you would better construct a highway. So some brief notes that I will give you here, and then we will see the story of Karsan Bhai Patel. Which brand? And then we will see the story of Amul. Okay. These are the 2 legendary success stories of Indian branding, because they came in the era when advertising and branding was considered immoral. And nobody supported it, least of all the government of India. And then people like Karsan Bhai Patel and organizations like Amul came and they made a brand in India, जो कि एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. आज तो कोई भी कर लेगा. 1970s में करना, I mean, that really took a lot of courage. So let's start. Early days. इसकी समरी आप लिखिए. demand was absolutely low, 1950s and 60s. Why? No domestic manufacturing of anything. You are importing everything and hence you are perpetually in a short supply. Perennially means perpetually, year after year. उन्होंने बहुत समझदारी से, आप देखिए करसन भाई ने क्या किया, वही सारे सिंबल्स यूज किए हैं जो एक आम गृहिणी को समझ में आए कि भाई अच्छा वॉशिंग पाउडर वो जो बाल्टी भर के झाग बना दे। तो उन्होंने वो झाग दिखाया उसमें कि भाई ये देखिए इतना सा आप लेंगे तो भी, और तो 1/3 प्राइस से मिल जाएगा। तो इन्होंने स्वीप कर दिया पूरा मार्केट, और हिंदुस्तान लीवर डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू रिएक्ट। इवन टुडे इट डजंट नो हाउ टू हैंडल सच पीपल। सो इज दिस बैटल क्लियर, निरमा एंड HLL वाली बैटल? ओके, हियर इज द जेंटलमैन हिमसेल्फ एंड यूनिलीवर नाउ, अर्लियर हिंदुस्तान लीवर। इनकी हालत खराब हो गई, नहीं लड़ पाए। नाउ वी कम टू द अमूल सागा। व्हाट इज द पंचलाइन फॉर अमूल ब्रांड? The taste of India. Amul, the taste of India, with a very beautiful jingle. Jingles are all important. In the life of a brand, it is very sad to see that a lot of brands are unable to create a jingle. तो अगर ब्रांड बनानी है तो एक जिंगल तो बनानी पड़ेगी, ये मेरे ख्याल से एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रूल है। बट एनीवे, सो नाउ व्हाट वाज द अमूल स्ट्रेटजी, इसको आप नोट कर लीजिए। How did Amul really become such a big brand? One of the things they did very well, they did this. They took the most current hot topic and they connected it with their brand using humor and wit, thereby making their brand contemporary, relevant, current all the time. See the smartness of the... Nobody else has played this game so beautifully. So first they made a jingle, and now their entire communication is playing on that jingle. And the moment we hear that, suddenly we start murmuring that jingle because it is inside us now. Even if we are not Airtel customers, that jingle is inside us, it's inside our heads, it's inside our conscience, we cannot throw it out now. उन्होंने इतनी बार हमको सुना दी है वो जिंगल। ये होता है ब्रांडिंग का बड़ा खेल। अच्छा, अब इनके साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है? What is the difference between these people now? Between an Airtel or an Idea? People are running only after the price and the value offers which they make. So differentiation has become a must. They will die otherwise. आज तो ये लीडर्स हैं, लेकिन अगर अभी से लोगों के दिमाग में नहीं घुसे तो लोग बोलेंगे एयरटेल और आइडिया में फर्क ही क्या है। लेकिन अब उन्होंने इंडियन पोजीशन क्रिएट। रिमेंबर, एड्स हैव अ राइट टू एग्जैजरेट। एडवर्टाइजिंग विल कम टू एन एंड इफ द राइट टू एग्जैजरेशन इज रिमूव्ड। ये ध्यान रखिएगा। Advertising has a right to exaggerate. Everybody exaggerates in advertising because otherwise what will they say? How will Fevicol sell itself? इसको ऐसे लगाएं, यूं चिपकाएं, बहुत अच्छा चिपकेगा। कोई देखेगा ऐसे ऐड सिवाय कारपेंटर के? तो जो डिसीजन मेकर है, मालिक है, वो तो देखेगा ही नहीं ऐसे ऐड। तो माल खरीदेगा कौन? अब ये देखते ही इमोशनल कनेक्ट कि यार वंडरफुल यार, ये फेविकॉल वाले क्या बात करते हैं यार, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट। सो द ब्रांड हैज गॉटन इन योर हेड। तो इसका प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल देता हूं। CEO इज सेइंग समथिंग टू द मीडिया, the CTO is saying something else to the media. Who is the CEO? Chief. And who is the CTO? And who is the CFO? अब ये तीन लोग तीन शहर में तीन प्रेस मीट करते हैं, तीन अलग अलग चीजें बोल देते हैं, तो मीडिया कंफ्यूज, रिजल्ट गलत आएगा हमेशा। इसलिए मार्केटिंग को बहुत इंटीग्रेटेड करके चलना पड़ता है। And there is only one man in the organization who can really drive this thing. Who is he? The CEO. He has to take full ownership of marketing. यह है आज का नया बिजनेस पैराडाइम। अगर ये चाहिए तो ये, क्योंकि इसमें सारे अलग अलग चीजें मिक्स हैं, इसलिए सीईओ को उतरना पड़ता है और कहना पड़ता है, नो यू डू इट दिस वे, नो 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 यू फाइन ट्यून इट, नो 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 यू कैलिब्रेट इट, because he wants the maximum bang for the buck. So all those who are trying to become CEOs, my suggestion to you, my advice, करके दिखाएंगे स्टूडेंट सक्सेस। एक बार और हो जाए, बड़ा मजा आया। स्टूडेंट सक्सेस।